Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber and today I'm testing out some new products from Camille. We are diving into the Guava Slip collection, specifically testing out the Hold Up Setting Mousse and the Heavy on Hold Extreme Gel. I've reviewed this collection before, and if you haven't seen that video yet, I'll leave the link in the description below so you can catch up. I've been waiting to see if these products live up to the signature Camille quality, so let's get right into the video. I'm starting off with freshly washed detangled hair. To make sure everything distributes evenly, I like to ensure my hair is nice and damp before I apply a single thing. The first product I'm going in with is the Hold Up Setting Mousse. This mousse has a really light foamy texture, and just like the rest of the line, it has that addictive guava scent. It's super sweet, but honestly it's not overpowering at all. This is a firm hold mousse. It's designed to define your curls and really lock that shape in. It also claims to resist humidity, enhance sheen, and keep your coils looking smooth and vibrant. As I started breaking it through, I did notice it didn't have as much slip as I usually like. Since the brand is focused on slip, I just assumed this would have a bit more oomph than your average mousse, but I was sadly mistaken on that. It felt a little lighter than my personal preference. However, once I started brushing it through, my curls definitely had a gorgeous shine and some solid definition. Even though it felt lightweight and I noticed a little frizz creeping in after the initial application, my hair still looked pretty healthy and felt moisturized. The mousse didn't give me a lot of definition, but if I wanted to do like a soft wavy look, I would reach for this. My hair still looked and felt pretty good. Next, I'm going in right on top of the mousse with the Heavy on Hold Extreme Gel. Honestly, I was most excited for this product because I really wanted to see how they would create a gel with a lot of slip. But let me tell you, when I say I was surprised, I was definitely shocked. I did not expect it to be so watery. I've never seen a gel with a liquid consistency like this before, so I was a bit nervous about that. As for the smell, it still gave that same guava scent, but it was slightly off, and it definitely wasn't my favorite. When I went to pick up the product, I was intimidated because it felt like water. I couldn't even figure out how to pick it up at first, and I was sitting there thinking, is this even going to work? This is supposed to be a power pack gel that delivers lasting definition and a strong hold for curls, coils, and sleek styles. It's meant to hydrate, strengthen, and help reduce frizz, leaving your hair highly defined with a firm hold, all without those drying effects you get from typical gels. I made sure to re-wet any dry spots before applying. Since the consistency was so thin, I basically just dipped my hand in, and whatever stayed on my fingers, I raked into my hair. This gel is super light, so I was really concerned about how I was going to perform because I'm using this in combination with the mousse. I wasn't expecting a super intense hold, so when I saw a bit of frizz popping up after applying, I wasn't surprised, but I was a little doubtful about whether my hair was going to come out looking good. I also made sure to apply in small sections. Since I could only pick up a little bit at a time, that was really the best way to go. After raking it through, I took my tangle teaser to define my curls. What I will say, as I was applying it, my hair felt very refreshed and moisturized, which is always a good sign. And for me, even though this is marketed as a firm hold gel, I live for volume and moisture. So even if it didn't give me the most extreme hold, as long as it's easy to apply and keeps my hair hydrated, I'm completely fine with that. After I was done styling, this is how my hair came out. My hair and scalp felt hydrated and my curls were looking super defined and sleek with a really nice amount of shine. I sat under the dryer for about 30 minutes and then finished off by diffusing until my hair was about 90% dry. I did notice that it took a little while for everything to set, but once my hair was completely dry, this is how my hair looked. My curls had tons of definition and a nice bit of volume. I did have a slight cast, but surprisingly, my hair still felt very moisturized underneath. To break the cast and soften things up, I took a little bit of oil and used the praying method to seal everything in. It really didn't take much to break the cast, just a couple of passes and my hair was completely soft. And these are my final results. Honestly, my hair came out perfect. I have body, bounce, and lots of definition. Even though the hold wasn't super hard, my style still lasted a pretty long time without my hair feeling dry or brittle. But let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post. And like always, thank you for watching.